Hi guys, I'm John, Specialty Electric, out here for Fan Diego, and I'm going to showcase this home. This is an absolute beauty. That's a piece by the Modern Forms, right in the entryway. Look at this beautiful door, beautiful glass door. This home is like a gallery. This is one of my favorite parts about being in customers' homes, seeing beautiful homes like this. Now this is the Glacier by Allegri. This is an absolutely stunning piece. And look at the effect it has here. And as you look at this shot here, just gorgeous. I mean, this looks like an art museum. And when you turn around here, you see that's a piece by Kovacs, George Kovacs, I believe. And you have the Extreme by Minka Air, and a beautiful fixture here by Visual Comfort over the dining table. This place is absolutely stunning and makes my day. Come see us at Fan Diego. We'll make a fan out of you. And if you didn't know, we do fans, lighting, installation. We do the whole 5 yards. We make sure that you're extremely happy and you love your home. Love the lighting in your home and you stay cool. Come see us at Fan Diego. We'll make a fan out of you.